How to fix Roblox "This experience is not currently available" problem. So if you want to fix Roblox "This experience is not currently available" problem, then what you need to do is first you need to check if the Roblox itself is down. So open up your preferred browser, and in the search bar you need to search for status roblox.com. This is Roblox official status page. You can go ahead and see if the Roblox server is down. And if yes, then you might need to wait for the game server to be fine. See if that fixes your issue or not. If not, then you can go ahead and visit the game's main page on Roblox. You can then go ahead and look for signs that the developers set it to private, content deleted, or under review. So if it says this experience is unavailable due to moderation, it might be developer related, and if the creator or unpublished or unrestricted regions are available, then you will see this error too. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if then, you might need to restart your router, or if you're on PC, you can go ahead and run a speed test, as Roblox requires a stable 4+ Mbps connection. Also, avoid using any sorts of VPNs or proxies, as Roblox sometimes blocks them. Also, if your issue is not fixed, then you can just simply go and delete the application that you are using right now. You can search for Roblox, delete it, and then again reinstall the app, as this will give the app a quick refresh. Also, if you're using on your Xbox, then make sure that the Xbox Live account is logged in. If you're using on your phone, then you can try to enable airplane mode on for some time and then disable it again, and it will help your issue to be fixed. The last solution is to contact the Roblox support team. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.